Hi guys, this is me Sagar from SG Under Creation, and into the last part we already set up zombie and zombie animation, and we fix socket. So now socket is working, everything is working. So into this part we are going to make a zombie anim graph and zombie character, and we're also going to make some blend spaces for zombie idle walk run. So let's get started. Okay, first of all you have to just go and choose blueprint and select character and name it zombie character. Okay, and after that you have to open this and click on character and select your character zombie mesh. After that you need to into location just -90 and negative 8 sorry 88. So I think the foot is fixed. It's you can check and tweak the values according to this. 85, not this, sorry, -90, this one, location, 88 or 86, and after that drag over here and throw this character on the level and just turn, and you can check his feet is I think okay, a little bit higher than the floor. So just select this again. I think 88 is the correct value. So now, and also just down the size of the capsule. I don't like big capsule and make a little bit slim, and by default it's hidden in game. Just tick so we can see the capsule. Okay, so after that just take this zombie and duplicate 2-3 times. Just hold alt key and drag, select and drag, so you can duplicate it like this. And after that we just need to make a anim graph. Go into animation and here anim graph and select your zombie character, zombie mesh means, and anim instance zombie mesh. Okay, name uh, zombie anim bp, and after that we need one blend space for idle walk run single 1D, and you just need to find your skeleton zombie and name idle walk run. Okay, save the open and select this and speed, and here we just use 400 and make a little bit room, and we need idle over here and walk, where's walk, yeah, walk and run. but the walking is very slow, so we have to fix. We need to 100 is, I think 100 is also fast. uh, we can check it later, but we can tweak this value. uh, First we need to go into the blueprint. It's an MBP. Just drag and type state machine and name it locomotion, and after that unplug it and save as cache. Make new cache, name loco cache, sorry, loco cache. After this, we already done idle walk run. Just throw over here, and nothing will happen because this needs to be something. And loco, type loco, we need to call this loco cache, and when you compile it will do idling. Okay, and after that we have this two animation, death and dying. Just call them and name it zombie death, and open this zombie death and just throw other animation also. So you can see there is two different kind of animation. So we can use random death. So we need unplug both, and we can give the random death animation when our zombie will go die. So first of all, untick the loop. We don't want to loop it. Save, and just type not random, sorry, blend by int. Blend by int, integer, it means integer, and untick this blend time and right click and refresh it. And this go on blind pose 1 0, sorry. And this is actually by default Unreal read this as 1 and 2, but here he read 0 or 1. Okay, and after that just promote to a variable random number. So we need to uh, randomize the number, so it will give you this. When it's this number is 0, it will give you this animation. When it's 1, it will give you this animation. So compile, save, and we just need one thing, plug it over like this. After that we need to promote this variable and name is dead, is oh man oh man is dead. Okay, and after that compile, save, and go into event graph, and here we need just try get pawn owner. So try get pawn owner, and is valid, type is valid, and after this, if it is valid, cast to your zombie character and save one variable reference. We need our reference zombie ref. Okay, compile, save, and after this we can use this. You can use this also, but for cleanness, so I use this. So just will type get velocity, hit enter, and after velocity we need a vector length, get vector, and oh, it's not giving. Okay, get len length, vector length. It is not a get, it is a only, it's called vector length, not get. After that we need a speed, promote to a speed, because our idle walk run needs speed. And we forgot one thing. Go into idle walk run, this, open this, and feed this here, compile save, so it will get the speed from the zombie. After that we need something into zombie, and make some variables over here. First is dead, question mark, and second is current health, sorry, current health, and max health, and change the variable type to float, compile save, and here type t dot, so we need a one custom, and name ai movement, ai movement. And what we gonna do is call this over here ai, no, first of all we just put the value 100. Before this we just take set and leave like current value is default 0, and always put the value on max. Okay, when the game is start it will set the max value, max health to the current health. So every time you, when you press play, it will set the max value to current value. Okay, current health. After that we just call this ai movement. After that we just make one branch, and we need to check is our zombies dead. If it is dead, then we don't need to, you know, move anywhere, and if it is not, then we need to move. So ai move to this type, ai move, so this is the ai move, and you have to just get actor location, and after that just get random, reachable point in radius, and plug it over here. And for the pawn you just need to self, reference to self. So we want move this character to somewhere here, and here we need to give the, I don't know what the size of your name mesh, so we have to create that. uh, we can use this one. And after that we need one thing, volumes, go into volumes, type here nav, and we just need this nav mesh pound volumes, and just over here and reset it so it will center on the floor. And after that just hit press p on keyboard, so it will give you the this green kind of thing. So just down the z's value is just 50, I think 50 is less, okay, 80 is okay. So just leave it up. Don't forget to drag into the floor, otherwise it won't work. Your AI, if it is go like this, so your AI not move anywhere. You need to drag into the floor. After that, just type 5000 I think, and 5000. I don't know the values of the floor, but it will, I think, 5000. Perfect. So it will fill the all. After that, open this and put the here with the size of the nav mesh 5000, and here you already select this. So if you play this, your AI should move. But after reach the destination, all AI, all zombies stopped, because after success nothing will happen here. So we just need to check whether it's fail or success. So just need press D and delay or delay. And here also we need, if fail, same thing, same condition apply here. If we can't reach the destination, we just need to uh, fail. Then we just check if we are dead or not. If we dead, then we don't do anything. Okay, like this. And here just write type random float in range. So you can give the delay time just like 2 second, and max is 6 second. So minimum 2 and maximum 6. So it will give you the minimum values 2 second delay. Your zombie will wait into the destination 2 second, maybe sometime 3 4 5, and max is 6. Okay, I think you understand this. After that, we need to call this again, this same event. So it will looping every time. And right now your character you know don't know the anim graph, so we just feed him his anim pp. And after that, you can see now they are running very fast. So speed is okay, but we don't want to run. We want him to just uh, walk. So first compile, just go here and change the max speed is 100. I need to see the time. Okay, it's 18 minutes. Okay, we have time. So after that, you can see he's moving, but his walk speed is very slow, the animation is very slow. So we just tweak the values of animation. So how can we do that? Just open the walk animation. So you can see this animation is very slow, so just tweak the value, put 2. Now I think it looks better, and compile and save. And if you don't like this, just hit P, it will hide. Now it's look better, but when I shoot on them, nothing will happen, because they don't know anything about your weapon. Okay, so what we gonna do is just open, and we already done max and current health. And we need something to give the damage to this zombie. Just type event point damage, so it will give you the point damage. And here just take this current and just minus float, and after just set it again. So each time when you shoot him, it will give you the damage. it will minus the damage and set the current. And after that, when current health is less than equal to less than equal to 0, your AI going to die. And set this to true, and we just need to one thing: stop the movements. Don't forget this. Stop movement, immediately movement. If you don't do this, so I can show you what's going on into your what will happen after this if you don't put this. So first of all, we just need to call over here, because your BP don't know you are die or not, so you have to tell your anim graph we are die, whether we are die or not. So just get I think is that, yeah, hit enter, and and just plug over here. So now it know, and you can, if you remember correctly, we just make this random death, and we should do some system, make some system for this. So if it is true, then do once, do once, do once, only one time this thing fire, and get this, not sorry, not this, type random int in range, and put it over here 1, and just type switch, and click on these. We only 2, because we have only 2 that's animation. If you have more you can make it, but we have only 1, so 2, so 0 or 1. So after that we just need to set it 0, and control C, control V, and plugs 1. So each time when our AI is dead, this fire, and this will do only once, because you have to put this do once, because it will continuously fire. So if you don't put this, your AI die and die animation is play again and again. So you have to put this. After that, wait, after this, we can check it. Okay, so, and here I want to show you, if you don't put this thing maybe wow, and your character will move, and nothing will sorry nothing will happen, because right now this event will not fire from anywhere. So just go into SG character and find where is your this line trace, and after this just hide all this, and we just need to damage only, and just drag this and break it. After break, hit actor, type damage, so it will give you a point damage, blind point damage. And if you compile this, it will give you the error, because it needs something like location, and hit info. You can just throw over here, and it needs damage also, or then damage come from the structure. Dynamic, we already set a dynamic system for every gun, so just compile, and just damage type use by default. Unreal give you the this damage classes, so you can just select damage type, and now you get the damage according to your weapon. So when you compile and go, you can see 1 2, actually you don't see anything, because we don't have any UI system. So we also do this again, but yeah, we have to make one UI. So first of all, just create a widget, name zombie WB widget blueprint, and open this and go into fill and desired, oh sorry, not desired, custom. Okay, after custom, here put 150 and this is just 30, or if you want just 50, and progress bar, we need progress bar, and throw on the canvas and anchor it into the center and reset these values, and here type 5 in alignment and again 0.5, it will center your, and after this 150 and this is 20, and you can tweak this value a little bit down. So what we're gonna do is just throw a text, if I spell right then you just throw over here text, and again we just use this center up type of and 5.5 and 0.5, okay, leave it 0, and down the size according to your 10, not, it is not looks good, 18 is okay, and not bold, is it is regular, and after this just compile and reset this into center. So just click on this justification, and here we just change this health, okay, and if you want you can change the color. If you want you can change the color of this blue or red or anything, and after that just click on this progress bar and change the name, or we just give the name health bar, and we just need to click on this variables, we need this as a variable type, and after that go into style. If it is not, you have to press this button, it will show you, and just type 0.2, so it will, you know, give you the alpha, you can see transparent type of effect. So after this we can use this, first of all just click, drag and drag, you can hold left mouse and you can see your color, and you can change whatever you like. So this color is good, so I throw over here, we can use this later, and yeah, so UI is complete, and we can call this UI into the zombie. So here we just need to go into add component and type widget, and click this and go into here viewport and just throw on the top of his head. After selecting this, you just here in details just change screen spaces screen, and choose your zombie widget, this one, and after that you just need to change the draw size, same draw size, 150 and 50, this is X and this is Y, okay, so 150 and 50 over here, type 150 and 50. When you play you can see the widgets with this guy. I'll take a little bit higher, and after that what you can do is we need get this, and after this get user widget, get user. So get user widget object, and we need to cast this to get the values of our percentage bar, health bar. So right now your health bar didn't know what is the current value of that zombie health, so we just need to give the values. Just close this, and we just need to call this bar health bar. Okay, make it variable, and then get health, so it will give you the health bar. And here we can set okay, set percentage, and this, and we just need to feed current divided by max health. So divided by float max health, and make it function. Just use all, and one thing, and just take this, and less than equals to the 0. We just need to hide this widget. Set visibility, and true is visible and false is hidden. So we just untick this and make a function, convert it to collapse into function, and name update health, and use this control C, copy this and put it over here also before this. So every time when our zombie get hit, it will update our health, and when our current health is 0, it will hide the UI. So you can see right now there is one problem. This when you go in front of, this will happen. We can solve this. Okay, this is not working because right now we don't set anything, for here. From here our trace is a visibility, set on visibility. So go into here and check here. uh, Visibility is ignore. Okay, here is everything is good, but into this mesh we just need to change something. Just click on this custom, and after that visibility is blocked and camera is this ignore. Same thing for this collision also, because if you watch carefully, when I go in front of him, this effect give the problem. This thing, camera is blocking by this capsule. So we just go again and custom, and ignore both channel, visibility and camera also, and compile, save. Then now if I am going to in front of zombie, camera will not blocked. So did you see that? Now he's dead, and this is the problem. That's why I'm showing you this. When you kill this guy, it will sliding. So how can we fix this issue? So that's why I want to do this. So whenever whenever you hit and he his health, he check his update his health, and if it is his current health is 0, it will call this and your character will uh, stop immediately. Let me show you. So now, did you see his capsule is totally stuck? That's why. And widget is also gone, and now you can see it will block our our path. So we just need to fix this thing also. So take this capsule and set collision, enable this one, and here we just need to set this no collision, and after this now collision is not affecting us. Okay, so after this few seconds we need to remove these bodies. So to optimize your game, so every you have to remove this character after delay few seconds. You can give the random time same like this here. If random time into the random time of delay, put 2 second and max to 5 second, and it will destroy actor. So it is a function and make by epic, so it will destroy this character. Okay, it will take few time, maybe sometime 2 second, sometime 4 second, or sometime between 4 to 5. So this takes longer, so you can tweak the values around this 3 second or 8 second, whatever you like. I think time is 37. So now we have to wrap this video. After this video we are going to make zombie. Right now zombie don't detect you and just passing by you. So after next tutorial, this tutorial, we are going to set up zombie sense. So your zombie will sense you and try to find you and try to attack on attack you. So thank you guys, I hope you like it, and if you are new, and you have to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press a bell icon, so you will get the notification whenever I post a video. So thank you guys, and you can also join my FB page as well, link down below. So thank you guys, see you into the next video. Goodbye.